Want to make money online? You're not alone. More and more people are finding ways to earn from their laptops, phones, you name it. It's the side hustle dream, right? The internet is your oyster, and there's potential everywhere. Whether it's selling goods, sharing knowledge, or connecting buyers and sellers, the online world is brimming with opportunities. One platform stands out for its sheer scale and reach: Amazon. This online giant isn't just for shopping anymore. It's a goldmine for those willing to put in the work. We're talking about building your own brand, promoting products you love, even becoming an author. The best part? You don't need a business degree or a ton of capital to get started. What you do need is hustle, creativity, and the right information. So, are you ready to unlock Amazon's money-making secrets? Let's dive in. Amazon offers a variety of ways to make money. You can become a seller, an affiliate marketer, or a self-published author. Each path has its own unique advantages and challenges. First up, selling on Amazon. This method involves sourcing or creating products and listing them on Amazon's marketplace. You can sell anything from electronics to handmade crafts. The key is to find a niche, offer competitive prices, and provide excellent customer service. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This method is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale. You can promote products through your website, blog, or social media channels. The key here is to choose products you believe in and target the right audience. Finally, let's talk about Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. This platform allows you to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks on Amazon. You can write about anything you're passionate about, from fiction to nonfiction. The beauty of KDP is that you retain full control over your work and earn royalties on each sale. As you can see, Amazon offers a diverse range of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. The key is to find the method that best suits your skills, interests, and resources. So, let's explore each method in detail and equip you with the knowledge to succeed. Ready to sell on Amazon? Great. First, decide what to sell. Research popular products and identify gaps in the market. Once you have a product in mind, source it from a reliable supplier or manufacturer. Quality matters, so don't cut corners. Next, create an Amazon seller account. Choose between an individual or professional plan based on your sales volume. Then, list your products with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. Remember, first impressions matter, so make your listings stand out. Once your listings are live, focus on driving traffic to them. Utilize Amazon's advertising platform to reach a wider audience. Encourage customer reviews to build trust and credibility. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Selling on Amazon requires effort, but the rewards can be substantial. By offering quality products, providing excellent service, and constantly optimizing your listings, you can build a successful business on this platform. Section 4. Affiliate Marketing: Cashing in on clicks. Affiliate marketing is all about connecting buyers with sellers. You act as the bridge, promoting products to your audience and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Amazon has a robust affiliate program called Amazon Associates. To get started, sign up for a free Amazon Associates account. Once approved, you can start browsing Amazon's vast product catalog and generating affiliate links. When choosing products to promote, focus on your niche and audience interests. Next, integrate these affiliate links into your content. This could be your blog posts, social media updates, email newsletters, or even YouTube videos. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and provide valuable content that educates and engages your audience. The key to success in affiliate marketing is driving traffic to your content and building trust with your audience. By providing honest reviews, helpful recommendations, and valuable insights, you can establish yourself as a trusted resource and boost your affiliate earnings. Section 5. Kindle Direct Publishing: Sharing your words, earning your worth. Have you always dreamed of becoming an author? Amazon KDP makes it possible for anyone to publish and sell ebooks and paperbacks globally. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a first-timer, KDP empowers you to share your stories and knowledge with the world. First, write your book. Choose a genre you're passionate about and let your creativity flow. Once your manuscript is complete, format it according to KDP guidelines. Design an eye-catching cover and write a compelling book description that hooks potential readers. Next, create a KDP account and upload your manuscript. Set your price, choose your royalty options, and decide whether to enroll your book in KDP Select, which offers promotional opportunities. Hit publish, and your book will be live on Amazon within 72 hours. Promoting your book is crucial for success. Utilize social media, author websites, and email lists to reach your target audience. Consider running Amazon ads to boost visibility. Engage with readers through reviews and social media interactions. KDP offers a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income from your writing. By crafting high-quality books, marketing them effectively, and building a loyal readership, you can turn your passion for writing into a profitable venture. Section 6. Winning strategies and pitfalls to dodge. Whether you choose to sell products, become an affiliate marketer, or publish your own book, there are common strategies for success on Amazon. First and foremost, focus on providing value to your customers or readers. Conduct thorough market research to understand customer needs and preferences. Offer high-quality products or content that solves problems, entertains, or informs. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and address concerns effectively. Avoid common pitfalls such as neglecting product research, underestimating competition, providing poor customer service, or failing to adapt to changing market trends. Stay informed about Amazon's policies and best practices to avoid account suspensions or penalties. Remember, success on Amazon requires effort, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By focusing on value, quality, and customer satisfaction, you can increase your chances of building a profitable and sustainable business. Section 7. Ready, Set, Earn. There you have it, your roadmap to unlocking Amazon's money-making potential. The journey might seem daunting at first, but remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. Take that first step, embrace the learning curve, and never stop hustling. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and adjust your strategies along the way. The world of online earning is constantly evolving, so stay curious, adapt to new trends, and never stop seeking knowledge. The opportunities are vast, and the potential is limitless. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, unleash your entrepreneurial spirit, and start building your online empire today. The world is your oyster. Go out and conquer it.